Hi there, and well done for making it this far. You're definitely a cut above the rest. You know, there are only two things that matter in this world: achieving your own personal dreams and ambitions, and helping those around you that you love and care for to also achieve theirs. This is exactly what Going Pro is all about. With the Pro version, you will have the full ability to create multiple dreams in your own portal. One dream is definitely not enough for someone that wants a life fulfilled with dreams, but you will also have the ability to introduce others to the Dream Builder Pro software and get financially rewarded for doing so. That's right, Dream Builder Pro rewards you for helping others become a member of this incredible global platform. Everyone wants a world filled with dream builders, a world filled with capable people who can help others to also achieve their dreams and ambitions, and also receive all of the success in the world along the way for doing so. Go ahead and go pro now, after which you will not only be equipped with the most powerful full version of Dream Builder Pro software, but you will also be granted full access to your own back office business center where you can track the growth of your team and, very importantly, the growth of your income. Don't let anything stand between you and the full achievement of all your dreams. Go ahead and become a Pro Dream Builder today.